Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve delete account on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve delete account on AliExpress app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of AliExpress. After that you can click on first app and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage and you can click here. After that you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can go to Play Store. If you find your update, then you can click to update your app on AliExpress. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.